Secure order. Supercharge your business ever further with this Sales Funnel Playbook video course. Discover the secrets to creating a sales funnel that turns leads into high-ticket customers. In this course, you'll find out the steps that successful businesses, entrepreneurs, and brands use to convert visitors into customers. If you're like most people, you're going to be super excited about what you're about to learn about real-life marketing strategy. But it's possible that you also may be like most people in that the tech-wise stuff slows you down. In fact, it makes some people give up altogether. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I recorded a hands-on, over-the-shoulder, step-by-step video course showing you all of the technical tricks that you'll need to know to bring the strategies out of the classroom and into your business. This is the video version. This is for those who are multitasker. No matter what it is you're trying to sell on the web, a sales funnel is the #1 way to do it. This is the most systematic way to build trust, to build a relationship, and to encourage people to want your brand before making a sale, and it is incredibly powerful when done well. Take a look around the web and chances are that you'll have come across a large number of sales funnels without even realizing it. So what exactly is a sales funnel? How does it work? And how can you tap into its power for yourself? Those are the questions we're going to be asking and answering in this ebook. By the end, you'll know exactly what an ebook is and why it's so important. Moreover, you'll be able to build your own sales funnel from scratch and use it to capture leads and convert them into paying customers. Once you understand the science behind this, you'll see why it's the most effective way to build profits, and you'll be able to turn any product or service into a massive success. Now you can get instant access to 10 hot, over-the-shoulder, step-by-step video tutorials. Download and start playing these tutorials right from the comfort of your home. There's a long way and a short way. The long way? Trying to figure out everything yourself, only to go around in circles. All that time wasted could have been put into something more worthwhile. Want to know the shortcut instead? Good news! I recorded 10 exclusive, step-by-step video tutorials that'll show you the tools, techniques, and my top tips to getting started on the right foot so you won't get lost. Here they are. Downloadable/digital version. Integrating your USP into your business, how to implement a horizontal profit funnel, how to implement a vertical profit funnel, creating your list building system, setting up your tracking system, setting up a joint venture, creating an affiliate opportunity, implementing urgency and scarcity, using your website as home base, using a silo architecture for SEO, automating your marketing processes, self-publishing your book, publishing your online course. Here's what I'll be sharing with you exclusively. Whether you are turning a hobby into business, or passion into profits, or attract customers locally, doing all these has always been perceived as expensive. Well, it sure is if you're doing business the old way. Hire a full-time designer for all your business designs. Hire a full-time web developer to create and maintain your company websites. Save enough capital to rent office spaces and buy inventories. Putting up big billboard signs hoping that your potential customer would notice you. While these methods still work, there are many business owners today who are able to run their entire business from home with just a website and have virtual customers visiting and buying from their site. And they can easily drive traffic to their websites using online marketing, SEO ranking, and many other tools and techniques available today, raking in profits in millions while still being a one-man show. Regardless of whether you're a local business owner, restaurant owner, network marketer, professional service provider, consultant, trainer, speaker, entertainer, athlete, and so on. If you can follow the step-by-step tutorials that I show you, then you can easily whip out a website within hours. A graphic design work within minutes. Plus much more. No previous experience needed. No technical skills required. Simply watch and follow. All the best, and I wish you a great success. Ivan Dominguez, founder of DigitalBiz101.com. P.S. This is a special offer not made anywhere else. Get these impactful training course right now, and in just few seconds you'll have instant access. Note, these are downloadable/digital version. Make sure to save all files to your device for faster access. Please note that our refund policy is 60-day.